Model, 67-plate Peugeot partner Berlingo MJ67CHY-L1 Blue HDI very long MOT ready to drive, away. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 133,802. MOT, the 4th of October 2025. Engine, 1560cc DV6 FD, BHY-B. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise Contron, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description.